Today, we're doing a quick battle between the Xiaomi 17T Pro and the Vivo X300 Pro. Both are flagship-style phones, but they take very different approaches. It's snappy, handles gaming really well, and doesn't heat up too quickly in short bursts. The Vivo X300 Pro, though, is more optimized for smooth daily use with a super clean UI experience. Cameras? That's where things get interesting. Vivo usually wins in portrait and low light, and the X300 Pro keeps that reputation strong. Xiaomi pushes more aggressive processing and sharper detail, but sometimes it looks a bit overdone. Battery life on both is solid, but Xiaomi edges ahead slightly with faster charging. So who wins? If you want performance and speed, go Xiaomi. If you care more about cameras and polish, Vivo takes it. Overall, both are great value flagships depending on what matters most to you in 2026. I'd personally pick based on camera or gaming priority today.